I bet most of the news you've heard about real estate is that home prices will fall this year. That's because negative news sells and it spreads really fast. But the opposite has actually happened. Prices didn't crash, and I've got the data to prove it, and even the experts now recognize that they were wrong. This chart shows the top 7 institutions' original 2023 forecast they released late last year and their latest revision that's available. If you look at these, all their original forecasts said prices were going to fall. Those are the ones in red. But look at their current forecast. You don't see anything in red, do you? That's because none of them still think prices will fall. They all say that by the end of last year. Some of you might be perhaps asking yourselves, how's that happening in a high interest, high inflation environment? I definitely can help you stay ahead of the negative news and help you realize your buying or selling goals. And I can prove it. 3 of my latest clients sold in the last couple of weeks for more than they expected and in record time. So I know exactly what's happening with prices right here in our local market. Let's connect so you can have the latest information and create your own success strategy as well.